Have you ever pondered the pivotal role that sports journalists play in promoting sports? It's an intriguing question that opens up a myriad of discussions. Today we delve into a recent event that beautifully illustrates this role. In the historic city of Baku, Azerbaijan, a week-long digital sports journalism training program concluded. This event, held at the headquarters of the Azerbaijan Olympic Committee, saw the presence of many key figures. Among them was Cengiz Huseynzada, the vice president of the Azerbaijan Olympic Committee, who was the guest of honor. He awarded certificates to sports journalists who had arrived from Pakistan. Eldar Ismailov, the president of the Azerbaijan Sports Journalists Association, expressed his delight at hosting the delegation of sports journalists from Pakistan. The journalists were taken on tours of various historic sites, media institutions, and sports academies. Ismailov emphasized the importance of these training sessions in enhancing the professional skills of journalists. The Secretary General of the Pakistan Sports Federation, Asghar Azim, expressed gratitude towards the Azerbaijan Sports Journalists Association and the Olympic Committee. He praised the successful execution of the training sessions in Azerbaijan and expressed how the hospitality and love of the people left a deep impact on them. He also announced that in the coming months, journalists from Azerbaijan will be touring Pakistan for training sessions, thereby continuing this exchange. This event was a testament to the strong bond between Pakistan and Azerbaijan. Despite the lack of enthusiastic sports collaborations, the vice president of the Azerbaijan Olympic Committee, Cengiz Huseynzada, expressed hope for future sports competitions between the two countries. He emphasized that the media plays a crucial role in promoting sports, and these training sessions would prove beneficial in advancing professional skills. To summarize, the event highlighted the crucial role of sports journalists in promoting sports, the importance of continuous training to enhance professional skills, and the hope for future sports collaborations between Pakistan and Azerbaijan. It also underscored the value of international exchanges and the impact of hospitality in strengthening bonds. So next time you see a sports report, appreciate the work of sports journalists behind it. Their role extends beyond mere reporting. They are promoters, educators, and ambassadors of sports.